Good morning, friends. In last practical, I have discussed the acid fast staining. Today, we will see the next practical, that is simple staining. I have discussed earlier there are different type of staining, or there are different types of staining techniques. In that, first, simple staining and differential staining. In simple staining, there is use of only one or only single stain. These points are also discussed in theory lecture. Yes, simple staining. In this staining, or it is a type of staining in which there is use of only single stain. And differential staining, in this staining there is use of two contrasting stains separated by decolorizing agents. In differential staining there is use of two contrasting stains separated by decolorizing agents. Then the simple staining, it is used for visualization of morphological shape and arrangement, and the differential staining, it is used for identification as well as for visualization of structure. For identification, there are two types of stain: gram stain and acid fast stain. And for visualization of structure, there are two stain or staining: spore stain and capsule stain. Yes, these are the types of staining techniques. In today's practical, we will see that is simple staining. So, what is stain, or what is the need of staining, and why it is essential, or why we should stain the bacteria? Yes, bacteria having nearly the same refractive index as that of water, therefore they are observed under microscope. They they are opaque or nearly invisible to the naked eyes. Yes, what I am saying, what is need or why we should be stain the bacteria? Because the bacteria having same refractive index as water, therefore when they are observed under microscope they are opaque or nearly invisible to our naked eyes. Then the different type of staining methods are used to make the cell and their internal structure is more visible under the light microscope. Yes, what I am saying, there are different types of stainings are used for what? To make the cell visible, and also for the internal structure or the visibility of internal structure of cell under the light microscope. Then, so what is stain and what is staining? The bacteria are slightly negatively charged at pH 7.0. Then basic dye stain bacteria and acidic dye stain bacteria. In simple stain, aqueous or alcohol solution of single basic dye. So next we will see what is stain. Stain is a substance that adheres to the cell. The stain is a substance that adheres to the cell and which gives the cell color. The presence of color, it gives the cell significant contrast, so or it is too much visible. Then the different stain having different affinities for different organism or the different part of organism. Keep in mind, so what I am saying, the different stain having different affinities for different organism or the different part of organism. They are used to differentiate the different type of organism. Yes, the stains are used to differentiate the different type of organism or to view the specific part of organism or to see the specific part of organism. Then staining technique, it is a auxiliary technique which is used in microscopy to enhance the contrast in the microscopic image. Yes, to enhance the contrast in the microscopic image. The stains and dyes are frequently used in biology and medicine to highlight the structure in biological tissue for viewing often the aid of different microscopes. Next, we will see the fixation. The fixation, which may itself the consist of several steps, and the aim of the fixation is to preserve the shape of cell or tissue. To preserve the shape of cell or this shape of tissue which is involved as much as possible. Sometimes the heat fixation is used to kill or to adhere and alter the specimen so it will be accept the stain. Next, we will see the actual procedure for simple staining. This is the basic of staining. So what is staining? The simple staining is a method of staining in which the bacteria are stained by using only a single stain. Simple staining is a method of staining in which the bacteria are stained by use of only single stain. Then the simple staining is also called as monochrome staining or the positive staining. Keep in mind, the simple staining is also called as what? It is also called as monochrome staining or the positive staining. The examples of simple stains are, yes, what are those examples? Methylene blue, saffronine, malachite green, basic fuchsia and crystal violet. Yes, these are the few examples of simple stain. What are those examples? Yes, first methylene blue, then saffronine, then malachite green, then basic fuchsia and crystal violet. These are the few examples of simple stain. In simple staining, the procedure cells are uniformly in simple staining procedure, the cells are uniformly stained. Yes, in simple staining, the cells are uniformly stained. So next we will see the procedure of simple staining. A clean grease-free slide is taken. A grease-free slide is made by the first washing. Is made by first washing the slide with detergent and the excess of water, and then the slide is passed through the flame. Then after the washing, this slide is passed through the flame. Then next, on the grease free slide, smear is made by using the sterile nichrome wire loop and the by use of cell suspension. It means your bacterial suspension. On this grease-free slide, the smear is prepared or the smear is made by the use of nichrome wire loop, or it is called as sterile wire loop, and thus bacterial suspension, or it is called as cell suspension. Then this slide is allowed to dry. Then after the drying, the slide is rapidly passed through the flame for 3 to 4 times for what? For heat fixation. After the drying the slide is passed through the flame for how much time? For 3 to 4 times in order to, or for what? That is for the heat fixation. Next, after the heat fixation, the slide is placed on the staining rack. Yes, after the heat fixation, the slide is placed on the staining rack and it is flooded with a particular stain or added drop of particular stain, and this stain is allowed to react for 3 minutes. Yes, after the heat fixation, next that is this slide is kept on a staining rack and this slide is flooded with or add the drop of particular stain, and this stain required or allowed to for 3 minutes for their allowed for 3 minutes for their reaction. The further the slide is washed under running water, then this slide is air dry and then washed and observed under oil immersion objective, that is 100x objective. This is the simple procedure for the simple staining. This is the procedure for what? Simple staining. Yes, we will see the flowchart of the simple staining. In simple staining procedure, take a clean grease free slide, then prepare a smear on slide, then air dry and heat fix the slide, then float the slide with stain, then allow the stain to react for 3 minutes, then wash the slide under running water, then air dry the slide and observe the slide under oil immersion objective. So what is mechanism? This mechanism also I have discussed in in theory lecture in detail. Yes, what are the requirements for simple staining? The Loeffler methylene blue, then dilute carbamazepine, then distilled water, then compound microscope, cedar wood oil, and fixed smear. So here we can see the images for simple stain under the microscope. Here we can see the images of simple stain under the microscope. Again, I repeating the procedure. Make a thin smear on a glass slide. Then heat fix the smear by passing the slide 2 to 3 times on the flame. Then pour out the add the methylene blue over the smear and allow to stand for 3 minutes. Then wash the stain with water and then dry it or air dry. Keep in mind here there is natural drying, there is no use of hot air oven for their drying. Then observe the slide under microscope. First observe the slide under 10x objective, that is low power objective, and then observe the slide under high power objective, that is 100x, or it is called as oil immersion objective. And then observe the slide presence of organisms and also the cellular content of sample. Here we can see the images of simple staining. So how the smear is prepared? The smear is prepared, or the smear is a distribution of bacterial cells on a slide for the purpose of viewing them under microscope. Yes, what is smear? It is a distribution of bacterial cells on a slide for the purpose of what? For the purpose of viewing them under the microscope. Then how the smear is prepared? Aseptically, a small sample of culture is spread over a slide surface. Then it is allowed to air dry. Keep in mind here there is natural drying. There is no use of artificial drying. It means there is no use of hot air oven and other instrument. Then this is allowed to air dry. The next step is heat fixation. It helps to adhere to the cells, adhere to the surface, and the smear is now ready for staining. So what is heat fixation, or how it is? The pass air dry smear through a flame 2 or 3 times and do not overheat. Keep in mind, our care should be taken during heat fixation. The slide, it should not be over dry or the overheated. Sorry, the slide, it should not be overheated. Then allow to cool before staining. Then method or methanol fixation. Place an air dry smear in a Copeland jar with methanol for 1 minute, and alternatively floor smear with methanol for 1 minute, and then drain the slide and allow to dry before staining. So this is all about the simple staining. Next, yes, I will stop here.